Kilala mo ba kung sino ako? Charan! Happy birthday, Krishna! Hello. So anyway, I would just like to greet you a happy birthday. Alam ko by now, nandyan ka na sa Singapore. And I'm very happy for you na makakasama mo na dyan si Den. It's a new adventure for you dahil mabubuhay ka dyan. So, my wish for you is that you stay strong sa mga events na mangyayari sa buhay mo. You have always been. And I hope, yun nga, na you continue to be an inspiration to others, sa mga cousins mo. You continue to build their dreams and your dreams as well. So, well, miss na kita. I hope to see you again, hopefully this year. Well, okay lang naman ako dito, but of course, it's always better when you're around. So, I hope you're having a good day today, Jan. And, I love you. And, maybe one day we can always be together na. Yes? So, ngayon, dito naman pagod ako. Oh, pagod na, naantok ako eh. O, yun lang. Oh. O, yun, happy birthday and have a good day.